Hi, welcome to Dr. VASU'S lectures. In continuation of C language, we see the history of C, how it was developed and how it came into being. History of C. The pioneer in this, in getting this C language is Dennis Ritchie. He was working with AT&T Bell Laboratories in 1970, and he laid the seeds of this C language. He started. Ken Thompson created a B using a BCPL. Actually, earlier, there used to be a language called B language, and we want to improve a lot on this B language. That is the main idea. And another thing is he want to, we'll see. Like, share, comment, and subscribe Dr. VASU'S lectures and get more videos. Thank you. Coming to this, see, actually the main idea of developing C was to develop a Unix operating system. Keeping this in mind, this C language was developed, and he wanted to make some modifications and improvements to this B, earlier B. And coming to the name of this C language also, earlier, because there was a B language, he just named it as C, and there is no particular reason why this language is given a name C. So here, to overcome the problems with the B and BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language, and to develop this Unix operating system, this C language was developed. So we can call it as a successor of B language. Became popular with the success of Unix, which was written in C. So we can see the power of C. An operating system, Unix operating system, was developed entirely using this C language. So that is the power of C. In 1978, Brian Kernighan and Ritchie came out with a book entitled The C Programming Language, and it gives an impetus to the development of C. And in early 1980s, standardization by ANSI, American National Standards Institute, was done, and that has laid the foundation for the further development of it. In 1989, first official ANSI standards were designed, that is called ANSI C. In 90, ANSI ISO has come out with a standard, and that is at another level, it was standardized. Okay. In 99, the revised standard was accepted by ISO, and it was named as C99. So this is the basic brief history of C language. If we want to actually explore many things, we can say a lot, but this is the brief history of C language. Thank you.